Good morning, boys and girls. How excited are you that this is your last spelling test? I bet that you are super excited. Today's spelling test is a little bit longer, so you have to number your paper 1 through, I don't remember. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 16, 24, 1 through 24. All right, number 1. I'm going to start and do it all weird this week. Number 1, wasn't. I set my coffee the night before to have coffee when I woke up. When I woke up, there wasn't any coffee in the pot. Wasn't. It was all over my counter. I don't know what happened. But your spelling word is wasn't. Don't forget that there's something special about this word. Number 2, together. Hayden and Peyton are going to be playing softball together. They're playing each other, actually. Number 3, sometimes. Sometimes I like to sleep in. Sometimes. Number 4 is night. I do not stay up very late at night. Night. Number 5, open. I cannot stand when the pantry door is left open at my house. Open. Number 6, much. I have so much to do before the end of the year. Much. Number 7, gave. If I gave you a Chromebook, you have to give it back. Your spelling word is gave. Number 8 is fun. I hope you have so much fun this summer. Fun. Number 9, now. Now it is time to wash our hands. Now. Number 10, lost. Most days I feel like I have lost my mind. Lost. Number 11, hand. I would love to give you a hand and help you any way that I can. Hand. Number 12, pick. Today after school I have to go pick up the girls. Pick. Number 13, start. I turn the key to start my car. Start. Number 14, let's. Let's cheer the team on. Let's. Another word that has something special about it. Number 15, good. I think that peanut butter and jelly tastes very good. Good. There's a million other sentences that I could have said for good. Number, I think I said 10, but I think that was 15. Good grief. Number 16, hood. I have a hood on my sweatshirt. Hood. Number 17, look. I will look at your work. Look. Number 18, book. I hope that you are reading a book today and take an AR test on it. Book. Number 19, took. If you took a book home from school, it is time to return it. Took. I've done lost track of what numbers I'm on because I don't feel like my numbers that I'm on are lining up with how many words are left. So there's 5 words left. The next word is wood. My dad used to sell wood when I was younger, and I would have to help him split and stack the wood. Wood. Your next word, I told you I lost my mind most days, is shook. I shook the rugs out last night. Shook. Pretty self-centered with all of my sentences today. They're all about me. The next one is stood. I stood at the softball game. Stood. Two more. Next one is brook. There is a small brook up the road from the school. You can try to skip stones in the brook. When I think of brook, I think of the book, Tuck Everlasting. Brook. Not a name, but a small body of water. Brook. And your last word, your very last word on your very last spelling test as a second grader. Are you ready? It is cook. Will you please cook dinner tonight? Cook. All right, guys, you did it. You survived second grade spelling. Go back through, pause, stop, re-listen if you need to. Don't forget to take a picture and turn your spelling words in. You guys are done with spelling words. Congratulations. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday.